Webinars can be challenging, and webinars can also be difficult to run. But when webinars are done right, they are a very powerful marketing tool. Webinars can also be awesome in driving traffic when and where you want it. Learn all about webinar automated webinars now.
Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Done For You webinar feature that we provide inside of Webinaro. This is going to allow you to sell one of Mike and my high-ticket coaching products, earning you $495 affiliate commissions from every sale that you generate with a webinar that you do not have to create and that you do not have to actually run. So the first thing you want to do is create a new webinar. And as you can see, I've created a new webinar and I'm on the edit page to edit that webinar. Now, I'm going to go ahead and assume that you've already clicked the link below this video to sign up as an affiliate. If you haven't, go ahead and click the link below this video. Head over to JVZoo. If you're not a JVZoo member, sign up for JVZoo and request to be an affiliate. When you request to be an affiliate, you need to make sure that you put your webinar receipt ID in the comment section so that way you can get approved. Okay, so assuming you have all that done, the next thing you need to do is set up your webinar. And as I said, I've created a new webinar and I'm on the edit page for that webinar. What I'm going to do is go ahead and click Load Done For You Webinar. And that's going to load the pre-made information for the webinar. Everything that's needed is now automatically filled out for me. The only thing that you need to do is enter in your affiliate link as the call to action. So I'm going to go over here to main settings. And you can see there are actually two sections where you can enter in an affiliate link. The first one is the redirect URL. I'm going to go ahead and enter in my affiliate link for this product inside of that redirect URL field. So I'm going to go over here to JVZoo. I'm going to get my link for this particular product. I'm going to grab it and I'll enter it in right there. Now, when anybody clicks on the call to action button inside of the webinar presentation, they will go to my affiliate link. The last thing I want to do is automatically redirect people who complete the webinar to my affiliate link. This way, after the webinar is over, they don't just see a blank screen, they automatically go to my affiliate link to pick up the product. And I'm going to put that in the video and redirect section. So I'll just paste that right in there as well. I'll click on Save and Exit, and I now have a Done For You webinar promoting a high-ticket product that I didn't have to create, that I didn't have to set up, that I don't have to run because it will run on autopilot for me. Thank you and enjoy.